Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll guide you on how to mark a chat as unread on WhatsApp. Let's go through the steps together. 1. Begin by opening WhatsApp on your phone to access your list of chats and conversations. 2. Long press on the chat that you wish to mark as unread. This action will select the chat and open up additional options for you. 3. Look for the 3 vertical dots located in the top right corner of the screen, and tap on them to reveal the chat settings menu. 4. From the options provided, select Mark as Unread to indicate that you want to revisit this chat later, as if you haven't read it yet. By following these steps, you can easily manage your chats on WhatsApp and prioritize which conversations you want to revisit. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial on marking a chat as unread on WhatsApp. Stay tuned for more messaging app tips and tricks to enhance your communication experience.